mapnow app moments on a map share authentic photo and video. So mapnow is the easiest way to share unfiltered photos and videos on a global map with your friends. Your pictures are effortlessly pinned to their precise location on the map based on their geolocation. Every photo and video you share is unfiltered, timestamp, and geotagged, ensuring an unparalleled and authentic experience. Effortlessly map your journeys, travels, and life experiences. Share your globe to friends and family. Create groups and share your content to specific individuals. And then you just have it like here. So then you just tab get, just double click to install, share moments with friends on a map, connect and follow, publish and unedited photos and videos one click, create groups, messages, control who sees your posts, and then you can just open it up, and then you can just accept terms, just add pseudo, and then you can just have it like that, and then it's just being automatically located. And for example, you just see in here different photos, pretty cool, right? And then you can just publish in there. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. So yeah, pretty cool. And then that's kind of, you can just do it and map all your photos together. I don't know what then you do with that, whether just publish to your profile, and so that's what you can do. But anyhow, that's the idea.